Mutiny, not revolution. Police stations and post offices are being burned. There is arson and looting going on. People are taking the law in their own hands. And what are you here for? Get out!
Set fire to these buildings! Paralyze the government machinery! For the last 57 years, the Congress is giving us a message of peace. In the attempt, we lost Gokhale, Tilak, and Lakshman. Gandhi is a saint, not a politician. The destiny of our motherland should be in the hands of young blood. Friends, proceed further. Hey, advance! Come on! Hey, Jindal, don't be a donkey. Don't go forward. Let the crowds go. We are commanders. We'll give the order from the back. Don't be silly. I'm not a coward. I'm not a mischief monger who instigates and remains in the background. I preach revolution. And in the experiment, I shall be the first to face the consequences. I have to lead. But don't be a donkey. Don't forget the police bullets. Of course I will. Cowards die many times before the death. For the valiant, there's death but once. It's an honor to die for the cause of the country. Come with me. Okay, pal, let's go. Somebody, Inkilab! 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 Disperse immediately! Fire!
People have gone crazy. Can't you put an end to all this nonsense? You're all resorting to arms. But remember, a revolution can never be stopped by guns or cannons. You have to use your brains.
Inqilab! Yeah! Inqilab! Yeah! Inqilab! Yeah! Inqilab! Yeah! Men, traitors of the country are selling the souls to the white masters. With the police, army has also taken to guns. Women are being put to shame in public. Children are being roasted alive. Tyranny is let loose in the country with all its ferocity. And the government thinks that by resorting to arms, they can crush this great revolution. We have to prove to them our might, capture the police station, and put these traitors into their own lockups. Down with imperialism! One step further and we will shoot you! Advance! Fire! Don't have to retreat. Our borders may fall, but our buses will not. The government is shaking. They just need one push.
Stop firing! Stop firing! Get out!
It's a slap from an elder brother. If it was somebody else's hand, it would have been broken.
Get out!
Have you all gone crazy? Do you think that by breaking the police stations, looting the post offices, and burning the government buildings, you will be able to attain independence? I do understand your love for freedom. I belong to this country, and I love my motherland too.
But centuries-old slavery cannot be wiped off by a handful of youths taking to looting and sabotage. For that, people will have to be prepared for the greatest sacrifice. Remember, the people's unity is the most colossal force. Even the mighty Tsar and the ruthless Louis of France had to submit to this force. But all this could be possible only when the people had unshakable faith in the leaders. They were to their own accord.
Your leaders have never asked you to take the law in your own hands. You will attain independence only by peace and non-violence. Wait for the day when your great reverend leaders, Gandhiji and Nehruji, come out from jails and do as they guide you.
My hat's off to Mr. Prem. What guns could not do, his words have done. What a personality.
Personality, my foot! How dare he come in my jurisdiction? I will see to it. Now this Kalu comes here too. First he betrayed us in friendship, now he torpedoes our plan. Huh. He hypnotized the whole crowd, Ashfaq. What a great speaker my brother is. Yes. You keep on praising your brother. Doesn't matter even if he blows our brains off. What a man you are, man. I feel like... Never mind. I like you and your brother too. Come on, let's go.
Agitator, spellbound by his eloquence.
It is all evident from his speech, sir. It is evident from his behavior. He had no business to enter in my jurisdiction and exercise his authority. I wanted to arrest his brother, but he let him loose.
Yes, to me this man is a sympathizer of the Congress party.
That's very true indeed, sir. And he was inciting the people to follow Gandhi and Nehru.
I'll see about this incitement. Inspector, call this man for interrogation.
Right, sir.
DSP Prem Shankar wins over violent mob. Agitator spellbound by his eloquence. Prem, did you read today's papers? You are in the news, my child. You have become a big man.
All your blessings, Ma.
If Jinder had listened to us, he too would have been a big man by now. But for the sake of the country, he has become a rebel. And God alone knows where he is now.
He is in hell. And calling others in hell too. He feels that arson and looting alone can bring independence to his motherland. But he's gravely mistaken. Mother, do you think that a handful of revolutionary boys can cow down such a powerful government? It's nothing but inviting trouble for himself, for his friends, for you and for me. The Inspector General wants you, sir. You proceed, I'll follow. Mother, you get my bedding ready. I'm going out on tour this evening. Madam, it's true?
Finish your breakfast.
This is police service, Mother. Morning, sir.
Good morning. Did you see this report?
Yes, sir, I did.
Is it correct?
Absolutely.
So, you are with the Congress, with the hooligans.
Excuse me, the Congress is not a hooligan group, but a national organization. And I, as an Indian, have got sympathies, although I'm not connected with it.
But your speech proves that you are with the Congress. And you are working with the government to know our ins and outs.
Of course not. I have nothing to do with the Congress. What I want is peace in the nation.
But didn't you say in your speech that you want freedom and that you love your country?
Of course I did, and I do mean it.
Then it's obvious that you are with the rebels and against the government.
To love one's country and to take law in hand by revolting against the government are two different things, Mr. Zorawar Singh.
But you can't kill two birds with one stone, Mr. Prem Shankar. We can't tolerate your talk of freedom and love for country when you are a tool in our ruling machinery.
Thanks for opening my eyes, General. I never realized it. By joining the police, my intention was to restore law and order in the country.
But you are being unfaithful to the crown.
Traitors are talking of faithfulness.
How dare you call me a traitor? You will have to apologize for this.
I certainly will not. I refuse to sell my soul like a slave.
Sir, this is a direct insult to my service, the king and crown.
I insist that you apologize, Mr. Prem Shankar. You're a saboteur in the government ranks. Black sheep are not wanted here. Either you apologize in writing, or you shall be dismissed.
Before you dismiss me, I resign myself.
Get out of my sight, you worthless fellow!
Worthless fellow. You will rue this remark, General. Your days are done.
This is an insult to the king and crown. I mean, you only have the cheek to hit me. Now there is no question of his dismissal. I shall say that he is imprisoned. Issue warrant to arrest against him under DIR 129. Aye, sir.
Shut up.
Well, son, who is the victim today?
The General.
What nonsense. Don't tell me you went and fought with your boss today.
I was tired of fighting with my subordinates all the time. So I thought of a better opponent. The result is I'm fired.
Dismissed?
Yes, Mother. And I'm not sorry. I would rather face the gallows for the love of my country than to work for such a government which is tyrannical and unjust.
You have also gone crazy.
Don't you worry, Mother. Besides you, I shall be able to serve my mother India. She needs me too.
But what about her?
Who?
Krishna Sarsarin. He's making all the preparations and you here.
There shall be no marriage now. I'm going there. I shall explain to Krishna. Is Krishna in?
No, she's gone to the hanging gardens.
Sir and Lady Serene are in. If you want, I'll inform them.
La 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 la. Prem.
Kittu.
Prem, you here?
Yes, Kittu. Surprised?
What's the hurry? Couldn't you wait for 7 days more?
No, Kittu. I've come to tell you that I can't marry you now.
Are you kidding?
Jokes aside, Kittu. Please don't misunderstand me.
What is this all about? What are you up to?
I've been dismissed from service.
Dismissed? But only a few days back there was a lot of praise about you in the papers. Daddy was very happy.
I couldn't sell my soul like a slave to this government. I want to serve my people, my country.
Our country will be proud of you, Prem. But why stop this marriage?
I've taken an oath, Kittu, that I shall marry you when our country is free. On the day of independence. Today my country needs me. And I don't want to drag you on this path of struggles.
Yes, the people who work for the country's sake have to face many difficulties. I will wait for that day when the country will be free. The people will rejoice. There will be illuminations all over. The flutes will be playing. We will be bound in holy matrimony. And then no one on this earth will be able to part us.
I expected this from you.
You always listen to your brother Kalu. I told you 117 times, don't listen to him. What we want to do, we'll do it. But you don't listen to me. What a chance we had. We were attacking the enemy, and the enemy was going down and down and down. But your brother came, gave one lecture, they all started coming up and up and up and up. Next time if Kalu comes in front of me, I am going to break his, I am going to bust his. You just wait. If he comes, I am going to... Hey, Kalu's come. Hello, Kalu. What are you doing here? Don't tell me you've come to arrest us. Okay, brother, take, we are all your pals, take. Hey, where's your uniform? Uniform? Huh? Don't tell me you...
I'm no longer in the service, Spock. I've been dismissed.
Dismissed? But the other day you were giving a hell of a big lecture on government's behalf.
That's why I've been dismissed.
That's why I used to tell you, don't work for this tottering government. They offered me a peon's job. I looked at them and said, listen, you're talking to the wrong man. And I refused it. Isn't it, General?
Anyone with a little love for the country will refuse to have anything to do with this government. And he has experienced this himself.
Hey, very good, very good. Kalu's going to stay with us. Very good news. Hey, Kalu, you were in the police. Hey, Jandar, he knows all the ins and outs of the government and the police. So we are their leader, Kalu is our leader.
No, Ashfaq. We differ on principle. You resort to arson and sabotage. I want that our aim should be to serve the nation and the people, and to champion the cause of the poor and the downtrodden. If we have to, we must attack in defense, not otherwise. Freedom is in peril. We must defend it. And with all our might.
Your principles are great. Hey, Jandar, Kalu is talking sense today. Kalu, why did you put this sense earlier in our brain? We wouldn't have burned that post office. Doesn't matter, it's never late. Hail the non-violence!
Warrant of arrest.
No, I believe in non-violence. Come on, fight.
Stop it! You like this side? Hit this side also. This is nice. Look at those fellows, how nicely they fight. Oh, yes. Oh, no, I can't go alone. I must take my friends. Rajendra, come. Let's go. The hustlers are waiting. 1, 2. Let him have it. Ah, boy, stop. Come on, horsey. Let's go. Running. Come on, boys. Robbers. Come on, hey, policemen. Quick. Come, run behind us.
They are the rebels. Guide them. Follow them.
Before they escape! Please, no, stop! Please stop! Look, come on! They're taking away my jeep! Stop them! Please stop them! They're taking away my jeep! Oh, look, they're taking away! But what can I do? Brother, come this way. Oh. My God, Kalu, you are a very unlucky man. The moment you entered in my house, I had to get out. Sorry, Ishfaq. Doesn't matter. We're all friends. Come on, I'll take you to a place which is underground for the world, but as it is overground for us. Come on. You see, it's a very quiet place.
Get down! They have escaped. To the police station!
Nobody can see us, but we can see everybody. Kalu, see that? That's the center of our activities.
Here are my companions who have sacrificed their all for the cause of independence.
Kalu, you'll be surprised. This government never suspects us.
Friends, meet my elder brother, Mr. Prem Shankar. A few days ago, he was the superintendent of police here. Like all of us, he too rebelled against the government's tyranny. But his way of doing things are much more sensible. We had chosen the violent path, which led to nothing but destruction. Today we remain where we started, without achieving anything concrete. We are groping in darkness on the road to freedom. I feel ashamed of Aziz. Really ashamed. I feel I'm not fit to lead you. God has sent him to show us the right path. From today onwards, he's a leader.
Countrymen, I thank you for the honor you've done me. It'll be my proud privilege to work in collaboration with you in serving our people, our country. But as you've just heard, my ways of working are different. I want all of you to follow the footsteps of our great reverend leader. I want that our first duty should be to spread the message of non-violence in every corner of the country and to defend the people from the atrocities of the government. Freedom is our birthright, and if it is in peril, we shall defend it with all our might.
Friends, burn away your foreign clothes.
No. There's nothing wrong in accepting their clothes. I hate their weapons. I hate their beastly and barbarous means of destruction. But I do love their language. It is the language of Shakespeare and Byron, of Shelley and Keats. But I strongly condemn their policy, and we shall all stand firm and oppose it till our last breath.
Friends, let's all observe silence for a few seconds to take a solemn oath that we shall always follow the principle of truth and non-violence.
Countrymen, I am quite aware of the atrocities of the police done on their innocent people. But we've all got to face it. The day is not far when our country shall be free, and then there shall be no worries for us. But from now on, we all must feel free within ourselves. We shall make our own laws and abide by them. There shall be no discrimination between the haves and the have-nots. There shall be peace and tranquility here. Inqilab! Zindabad! Inqilab! Zindabad! Inqilab! Zindabad! Inqilab! Zindabad! Inqilab! Zindabad! Inqilab! Zindabad!
Mara, Abu Baba, Friends, he says that government has started troubling we innocent people. Police start firing whenever they like. No one hears our pleading. We will face it with courage. Friends, we must be ready for the greatest sacrifice. We shall become martyrs for the cause of the country.
I say, have you seen three rebels inside?
No, sir. We saw 3 donkeys.
Shut up! What sort of meeting is this? Oh yes, Section 144 is on. Don't you know the Section 144 is on? You can't hold public meetings. Disperse immediately. All will fire.
We will not budge an inch from here.
Fire!
Bhaiya, police is attacking the villagers.
Proceed immediately with your lathis. atrocities. Hold on. Don't be frightened. We shall not beat the beaten.
This is a souvenir of the soil. You were born and bred in it. You better eat it. Now you better go. And don't ever come here. If you come here, we are not responsible for your dead body. Get out!
You are not. You are the mother of the rebel. Tell us who's hiding then. Where is he and his companions?
He's not here. I'm not lying. He's gone to see his fiancée.
Shut up, you liar. He's right here in this town.
He's not. If he was here, he would have...
Shambhu, take her to the police station.
Tell me where your son is hiding, or I shall kill you. Throw her away in front of the Kotwali.
Come on, Jinder. Ready, boss? They have killed her!
Who's killed her?
Zorawar Singh and his men. The body is lying in front of the Kotwali. Don't get excited. It's no use going now. It's very dangerous. We'll go in the dead of night and bring mother.
Traitors made mother the victim.
Jinder, you're right, Ishfaq. I shall go alone at midnight and bring mother.
What do you mean, you go alone and bring mother? Is she not our mother too? We'll all go and bring her.
Don't be crazy, Ishfaq. You all have to do a lot for the country. Why should you go into the jaws of death? It's my personal matter, and I must go alone.
You will go at midnight, but I'm going right now to bring mother.
You know, I'm not only a leader, but your brother too. And the elder brother's like a father. So you dare disobey me.
But what about mother?
I'll bring mother back. Have faith in me.
Mother! Mother! Mother, you alive! You alive, mother!
How could I go leaving you alone, my child? You had deserted me.
I'm sorry, mother. Please forgive me. Look what the tyrants have made of you.
I've been waiting you. I couldn't leave you in any place. Who will look after you now? Who will look after you? Where is Jinder? I wish I could see him before I die. Where is he? Where is Jinder?
He's with me. He wanted to come, but I stopped him. We both are working together for the liberation of our country.
God bless you, my children. I'm departing from this world, which is in chaos and darkness. But the light of freedom shall definitely shine upon you. Our country will be free, and my children will live happily, happily.
Put the body down, or I will shoot you. How do you like this beautiful trap? If we hadn't tortured her, you wouldn't have been caught. Arrest him! This man seems to be dangerous. Impale him in the horse of Golgunda. Take him away!
Let me burn the body at least. Let me burn the body. Let me cremate her religion.
We shall do it for you.
We humans are ours, You have a mother too. Burn me with my mother. But for heaven's sake, don't take me away from her. Don't take me away from her.
General, have patience. I was going in the evening to bring mother. Bhaiya did not let me go. He alone is responsible for my mother's death. Had I gone in the evening, I would have brought her alive. Remember, Ashfaq? How Bhaiya retorted to my suggestion by saying, I'll bring mother back, have faith in me. And he is in prison now.
Yes, madam. What can I do for you?
I want to meet Mr. Prem Shankar.
Which Prem Shankar? Ex-DSP?
That's right.
Excuse me, madam. You can't see him. No one can see him.
But I only want to speak to him for a few minutes. I'm his...
You may be anyone, but I'm helpless. I must abide by the government orders.
Will you talk or not? Never.
My God. What is this nonsense? I can't get any food to eat, no water. Why was I born? Our movement has been crushed. The people have flopped.
The government has succeeded in suppressing the movement. What atrocities! Atrocities. Even wearing a Gandhi cap is a crime now.
Yes, wearing a Gandhi cap is a crime, I know. But my dear brother, now we must think, what are we going to do further? This underground business is getting on my nerve.
Don't lose courage, Ashfaq. Our fight for freedom shall go on till we achieve it. Do you agree?
Yes! Don't you worry, we'll go through thick and thin. I'm your leader. Understand? Understand?
In whisper, or the guards will hear you.
Ah, sharp! I'm the leader now. Jandar is gone up now. If you talk too much, I give you one on your buttock. Well, stand there. If you talk next time, I'm gonna... Hey, ha! Oh, hit up. Oh, hit up. Hit up. Hit Sir, I'll never come this side again, sir. I beg of you, sir. Sir, I made a mistake, sir. I tried to be a leader, but absolutely flopped. You saw, sir, I was a flop. My friend told me, when I give a signal, you bring people silently. You saw, I couldn't breathe, sir. I'm going. I'll never come in your Golconda, sir. It's very big for me. I'm a small man. Jandar, that was very good. He said you can go. Bye-bye, sir. You're right, sir.
Newspapers have been sanctioned for you. You will get them every day.
Very thoughtful of the government.
All 8 castes will get it.
I don't need this today. I'm fed up eating the bread of slavery. I've got my food.
Harder! Harder, Gandhar! This is not an ordinary beating. This is a beating from my father-in-law who was a bald man.
Stop making further start. You are responsible for all this. You behave like a dog in the manger. Why did you have to get me caught if you were being beaten?
Oh.
Were you under the influence of opium?
Hey, Gandhar, you don't understand. I was just trying to take that man, you see. I wanted to divert his attention towards you, so I could run away. Otherwise, you would have given me beating that I never had in my life. You don't understand.
But you only invited him by making such a noise. You had gone there to rescue Brother Prem and not to make speeches.
Oh, if I do little thing, if I say little thing, you people start giving me the lecture. Now forget it. You're a nice fellow, no? Come on, aside, I shall. Not so hard, not so hard, not so hard. My God, you massaging me harder than that baldy fellow. It is all due to that Kalia. If I wouldn't have gone to rescue him, this wouldn't have been the trouble. Now, if my father goes to jail, I'll never go with him, I'll never save him.
Don't you feel ashamed talking like this about our leader? I took you to be my friend and confidant, but never expected this from you.
Wait! Don't you understand what our leader said? You must not betray our country for one man. You must give your life for the one man. So, Kalu is our man. You don't understand. Now, just listen. For one man, we must not abandon our country's fight. We must keep on fighting. So, on the Kalu's name, I fight. Hurt!
You here? How did you find me? You like me now? I know why. Because Mother is dead. And the house is burned too. Where did you live all these days? You were looking for me, but I've lost my wings. You still have them. Where do you want to be caged? Leave me to my fate. Go away, I don't want your pity.
This is the parrot which brings the messages to the fort.
How fares my gentle friend? The chased are chasing the chasers. Won't you chase us now?
Time is chasing you, Zorawar Singh. The nation will hang you.
Nation, my foot. The people's rebellion shall be crushed.
It's not so easy to do that. I'm studying the trend of time, the pulse of the nation. I'm reminded of Pandit Nehru's words spoken in Gorakhpur court, that the British government does not recognize the present temper of the Indian people. And if she thinks she can rule over this country by force, she has read history in vain.
Stop lecturing. I don't need your sermons.
Sermons are given to humans, and not to traitors like you who can be bought with money. It's not you slapping, Zorawar. It's your uniform.
You are crying, my child, and for that man who has been sent to jail. I'm glad you didn't get married to that rebel.
Don't call him a rebel, Daddy.
What else is he? Inciting the innocent people against the government and teaching them to revolt. Is this the work of a good citizen?
But whatever he's done is for the good of the country.
What can he do? Or what can a handful of riffraffs do against such a strong government? I pity them all. And here you are refusing to marry and waiting for him.
I have given him my word that I shall always wait for him.
But he might be in prison all his life. How long will you wait for him?
All my life.
Don't be childish, Kittu. I have been receiving so many offers for your hand. Only today, Raj Sahib Kartarnar sent a proposal for his son, who has just passed ICS.
Prem is the only person I want. I can never forget him. Not even in my dreams.
You are being obstinate, my child. How long will you remain unmarried?
Don't you worry, Daddy. I can look after myself. I will remain unmarried all my life.
I wanted your happiness, my child. But if you feel this way, all right, as you wish.
I have faith. Our country will be free. And you will come back. You will definitely come back, Prem.
Kittu! Kittu, wait for me! Wait for me, Kittu! I have faith. Our country will be free and very soon. I shall get my honor, prestige and glory back. I shall marry you then, on the day of independence.
February 26, 1943. Gandhiji to undertake fast for 21 days. March 8, 1943. Gandhiji's condition critical. March 26, 1943. Gandhiji successfully survives 21 days foodless ordeal. May 26, 1944. Gandhiji released unconditionally. June 10, 1944. Political prisoners released. Those guilty of violence still unpardoned. September 5th, 1944. Quit India movement is over.
Then let's start with a new movement and get rid of the old one because it turned out to be an unlucky one for us. I was a fool to refuse that peon's job. By now I might have become a postmaster general. Now I won't even get a sweeper's job.
Don't you know, Ashfaq? Subhash Bose could have become a big man. But he gave up his job for the sake of the country. He too is underground these days.
Jinder, you're right. Let's not stop this movement. Keep on doing it till we die. Brothers, Inqilab! Inqilab! Inqilab!
British cabinet mission arrives with proposals for India's freedom. India shall be free. Bapu, your efforts shall be successful. It will be the triumph of non-violence. Fanatics of religion, what are you trying to do? The world will laugh. The coming generation will mock at us. Salim's house sacked by Gundas. Occupants killed. His only daughter kidnapped. Kittu! Kittu!
This is cruel. This is the height of injustice. Prem Bhaiya is in jail for the last 4 years. We can't bear it any longer. We must get him free.
I'll pledge my life to save Kalu Bhaiya. What do you say?
Yes, we do! Then be prepared. But remember, either we succeed or we all die.
Let's go! Attack!
Let's go! Friends, you must proceed according to my plan. I will advance with my group from the northeast direction. Ashfaq, yes, you know what you have to do.
No.
You will attack from the southwest direction.
Okay.
But be careful. Don't you repeat your last time's performance now.
Chandra, don't you worry. This time I'm really going to lose my temper. You know, when I lose my temper, I'm just one man waste of destruction. Don't worry. Come
Okay, all the best at once.
Bye-bye.
Sir, Bhaiya! Shout to that! Shout! I'll send you to heaven to your mother and father without limit! Hey, he's got... Come on, boys! Release the prisoner! 7 minutes! Ashfaq, not so loud, keep quiet. Why should I? I've done all the arrangements. Police can't do anything because I've paralyzed their gun, their ammunition, their... Huh? Oh. Come on, boys, come on! Where are the soldiers? The prisoners are running away.
I'm getting back.
Kinder, Ashfaq, happy tidings. Here is the announcement of independence. Our country will be free in a few months now. Oh, really? Here, look. Oh boy, wonderful. I'll be appointed the commissioner of police now. Be serious for a change, Ashfaq. Our responsibilities as good citizens will increase now. We all have to prove ourselves worthy of the freedom our great leaders have secured for us. You're right, Jinder. Ashfaq, now we'll have to work with double might and enthusiasm. Once again, we'll get a chance to serve the people. Especially I'll get a chance to serve the people, and I'll go straight to the Inspector General of Police, and I shall apply for my reinstatement. You people go ahead with your constructive program. I'm going in search of Krishna. I'll bring her back from wherever she may be. Okay. Go on. Wish you all the best.
Did you get any information about her?
No.
What do you want after all? You're the Lord of the universe.
No, I don't want this child. I don't want it. I hate it. dear child. In this condition, you should not cry. It will affect your poor babe.
No, I don't want this child. It is not his child. I'm so ashamed of myself. How will I face it? Oh, God, why don't I die? Why don't I die?
Is there anyone by the name of Krishna in this camp?
What name you said?
Krishna, daughter of Sir Serene.
Who are you to us?
What difference will it make? Would you please look in?
Kittu.
Leave me, Prem. I'm not worthy of you. You see, things are different now. This happened during the riots. I can't bear to face you in this condition. Please go away. Go away, God bless you.
Do you think I'll leave you in this condition? Remember I promised you that we shall marry on the day of independence. Today's the 11th. On the 15th of August, the day of independence, I shall marry you.
I don't want that promise to bind you. When you took that vow, you never dreamt a thing like this could happen. It's so great of you to accept me even in this condition. But I'm not worthy of you. Don't you realize that people will talk?
Who cares for the people? And I'm doing no sacrifice. I love you, Kittu. And I can never leave you.
Do you still love me?
Yes, Kittu. My love is love that alters not, and alteration finds, nor bends with the remover to remove. It's never fixed mark that looks on tempest, but still is unshaken. The rosy cheeks and lips within love's bending sickles compass come, but my love bears it edge to the tomb.
We are going to get independent. We're going to get independent. Hey, General, look what I've brought. We're going to celebrate independence gloriously. Hey, what are you worried about? After 4 days is our day of
Independence, I know. After 4 days is our day of independence. But my brother has not returned.
He will certainly come. Have faith in God.
I have lost faith in God. It's more than 6 months he has been away.
That's why I'm confident. He will return with success.
Ashfaq?
Look, Kalu is coming. What did I tell you?
Kaya!
Oh, Kalu. Welcome home, sister.
Kalu.
What are you thinking, Kittu?
Pleasant thoughts about you. You have given me a new life. I'm so lucky.
Lucky am I who found you after I had lost you. And all my dreams will come true.
All our dreams. You go and meet the minister. Then you will get your job back. You will again be a big officer. We will build a cute little house where there shall be peace and happiness.
What's wrong?
Nothing.
Get all right soon. After 3 days, we are going to get married. Linda, Ashfaq, make all the preparations for the marriage. Play the Shehnais. I'm going straight to the minister. I'm confident that I shall get my post back. I shall get my honor, prestige, and glory back. Pray for me. Wish me luck. Is the Honorable Minister in? Yes. Please take this card. I wish to see him. He's busy at the moment. Come some other time. But I must see him with something very urgent. What can I do? He doesn't want to see you. But I must see him. And I will.
I shall wait for him outside till he's free to see me.
I'm so worried, Jinder. Prem has not come. Have you had any news?
Don't worry, Bhabhi. He will come back soon.
Hari, Prem has not returned. I have not seen Jinder or Shfaq either. Where are they?
They are busy making preparations for your marriage, Bhabhi. Tomorrow is our day of independence.
Please, for heaven's sake, go away. The minister is getting angry. You will not benefit by this hunger strike. Even the British government had to submit to the power of Satyagraha.
Prem. 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 Prem.
Tomorrow is the 15th of August, Day of Independence. Tomorrow we break the shackles of slavery, which bound us for 200 years. The minister is free to see, you know. Gandhiji's weapon of Satyagraha never fails.
Good morning, sir. Oh, good morning. Come in. What can I do for you?
I want to serve my liberated country.
Oh, I see. Sit down and come to the point.
I was the district superintendent of police during the Quit India movement of 42. I was branded a rebel for my patriotism and was summarily dismissed. I was arrested and imprisoned in the fort of Golconda. For 4 years I remained there as a security prisoner. Now I wish that my honor be restored to me and I be reinstated.
We have gone through your case. The IG police has not recommended your case.
This is sheer injustice. I never expected this from our own people. I've sacrificed my all for the cause of my country. My mother was killed. My house was burnt. I was tortured in prison.
So we're hundreds like you. We can't help it. I am afraid I can't do anything for you.
Sir, you must do something for me. I am to marry tomorrow. Give me back my job. Imagine how happy I shall be.
We are not concerned with your personal happiness. We are the servants of the public.
I am one of the... We have elected you. You are representing us. That's why you're sitting on that chair and holding this position. Don't you think it's your duty to look after the interests of the public?
We are trying to do all we can for the good of the public and the country. But it will take some time.
Thank you.
All right, but the mother's condition is very critical. She couldn't stand it due to weakness. There is profuse hemorrhage and the blood pressure is very, very low.
So, doctor?
I'm doing my best, but please inform her relatives. Anytime, anything may happen.
we are to be married on the auspicious day of independence. How can I reveal to anyone that she may not live long? No, I can't. I won't.
We are free men. We got the independence. Be happy. Oh, feelings of independence, Bhaiya. Bhabhi's blessed with a son. When? Today. How's she? She's all right, Bhaiya. She has been waiting for you for the last 3 days. Where were you?
Kittu, I've come back. Open your eyes. It's me. Me, your Prem. Kittu, open your eyes. It's me, your Prem.
You've come back, Prem. I couldn't go without seeing you. Look there. He's come to take me. Since the last 3 days he's been there. My soul has been fighting with him. I've been begging him to let me meet you. Look, Prem. He's still staring at me. Tell him to go away. Tell him to go away, Prem. I don't want to leave you. Tell him to go away. I don't want to leave you.
No one can take you away from me, Kittu. You're mine, and you will always be mine. Today's the day of independence. Today's the day of our marriage. We're going to get married today. Hear the flutes are playing.
Yes, I can hear the flutes playing. Anoint me with vermilion, Prem. Today our souls are being united. We are getting married, no?
No, you can't leave me like this, Kittu. You can't leave me like this.
Our love is immortal. My soul will always be with you. Life after.
Mother left me. Now you too have gone. God, I had taken a vow that I will marry her on the day of independence. Thanks for the marriage. This is the reward of my work. Today I make another resolution that I will renounce your world. Keep your word to yourself.